Show you how to remove the anti-slip material off the rollers. It's very easy. Basically, you have to remove the time stop pin and the arm so that your rollers are moving free. After you get that out, and at the end, after you replace your stuff, you're going to put that back together. You're going to take a hair dryer or a heat gun or something to that effect. You're going to warm up the roller. It gets pretty hot pretty fast. So once it's warmed up, you can start peeling it. If you work pretty fast, it'll come off easy. Just grab it and peel it. It's warm. It'll come off very easy. And you would do the same thing for the bottom one. So once you've got one done, it comes off one sheet, which is nice. There we go. There you go. The same principle for removing the anti-skid material off the rollers is also the same way you would remove it off the pinch rollers. You would just warm it up and then you would just pull it off. There's nothing hard about this at all. Basically, just pull it off and just work your way through until it's off. The hotter it is, the easier it is to come off.